Sashaboo! Hi friends, it's Sasha. So happy to see you. Today we're going on an exciting adventure to Africa. We're going to discover 5 unique animals that live only in Africa. Are you ready? Let's go! Our first animal is the giraffe. Giraffes are known for their long necks and legs. They are the tallest animals in the world. Giraffes love to eat leaves from tall trees. Can you say giraffe? Giraffe, giraffe! So tall and grand, reaching leaves above the land. With a neck so long and spots so bright, the giraffe is such a lovely sight. Did you know that giraffe babies are called calves and can stand up just an hour after being born? Wow! Next, we have the zebra. Zebras have black and white stripes, and each zebra's stripes are unique, just like our fingerprints. Zebras live in groups called herds. Can you say zebra? Zebra, zebra, black and white. Running fast, a wonderful sight. Stripes so bold and stripes so neat, zebras are a special treat. Did you know that zebra foals can recognize their mother's unique stripe pattern right after birth? Now, let's meet the elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals. They have long trunks and big ears. Elephants love to splash in water and eat lots of plants. Can you say elephant? Elephant, elephant, so big and strong, with a trunk that's very long, flapping ears in a gentle way. Elephants brighten up our day. Did you know that elephant mothers are very protective of their calves? And elephant calves stay close to their mothers for years? Wow! Here we have the lion. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. They have loud roars that you can hear from far away. Male lions have big manes. Can you say lion? Lion, lion, with a mighty roar. King of the jungle we adore. With a mane so full and a roar so loud. Lions always stand out in the crowd. Did you know that lion cubs learn to roar by mimicking their parents and playfully practicing? Wow! Finally, let's meet the rhinoceros, or rhino for short. Rhinos have thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. They love to roll in the mud to keep cool. Can you say rhinoceros? Rhinoceros, rhinoceros, big and tough, with skin that's thick and horns so rough. Rolling in the mud to stay cool. Rhinos are awesome. That's the rule. Did you know that rhino calves stay with their mothers for up to 3 years, learning all about their environment? Wow! Great job, friends! Now it's time for a fun game. Can you help me find giraffes, zebras, elephants, lions, and rhinoceros around the savannah? Oh, amazing! Let's go! Can you help me find the giraffe? Look around and see if you can spot the giraffe. Have you found it? Great. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 giraffes. Good job. Now, can you help me find the zebra? Take a moment and look around. Where is zebra? Have you found it? Great. Now let's count them together. 1, 2 zebras. Awesome. It's time for elephant. Can you help me find the elephant? Look around and see if you can spot the elephants. Have you found it? Great. Now let's count them together. 1, 2, 3 elephants. Great work. I am so proud of you. It is time for the king of the jungle. Can you help me find the lion? Take a moment and look around. Can you see lions? Ask Mommy and Daddy for help. Found them? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4 lions. Fantastic! Finally! Can you help me find the rhinoceros? Did you find all the rhinoceros? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rhinos. You did an amazing job. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. You did an amazing job. I am so proud of you all for your hard work and curiosity. I love you all, and I'm already missing you. Remember, we have new fun episodes every Monday and Friday, so there's always something exciting to look forward to. Let's learn, play, and grow together with Sashaboo! Bye-bye!